Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'd like to show you guys the website that I built with the help of Antigravity. So this is a very simple website, just HTML and CSS, and yes, Antigravity helped me to design and build this site. Okay, so this is my official business website. So I provide data analytics services. So if ever you need data analytic or reporting services, you can give me a call, or you can reach out to me at alfidata.analytics.pg@gmail.com. Okay, so I built this website with the help of Antigravity. Okay, in my last video I showed you guys how you can install, download, install, and use Antigravity. So basically I just prompted it. This is the agent on the right panel. Okay, it designed my website, and as usual, before starting the task with my initial prompt, it gave me a task list of everything that will be done. Okay, and then an implementation plan of how it's going to go about to design it, and finally a walkthrough. Once it has completed the task, it will just give us a walkthrough of what has been done, and if ever you need help in setting your project up, it can also go into the details of that. Okay, so for my case, my static website is hosted on Namecheap. So it gave me some instructions on how to go about to actually updating the files on the Namecheap web server. Okay, so this is what it's going to give you: the task list, the implementation plan, and the walkthrough. Okay, and as usual, all these files can be backed up to GitHub, which is just awesome, and you keep the code. Okay, so yeah, so this is my website that I just created with the help of Antigravity. It's a simple website, but I love it. It's simple, it gets the job done. Okay, and even the image here as well, I asked it to get my photo from LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn profile. So this is the original photo, and I asked it to sort of modify the background and the image as well, and it used Nano Banana to do that. So Antigravity and all of Google's and Gemini's solutions right now, they're just powerful. I mean, I'm so amazed at this product, and I will be definitely building some more applications with it. So there you go, guys. This is my website built with the help of Antigravity. So what have you built so far? Comment below. Let's learn from each other, and let's build.